Now we've been looking at multiplying out algebraic brackets, and today we're going to look at when we come across a problem that requires us to do this. Now the picture in front of us comes up in various ways. It looks like a picture frame at the moment, so we can see the picture frame in black. The picture itself would be in the white rectangle in the middle, and we're going to be asked to find the area of the black border. Now in order to do that, the strategy we're going to use is we're going to find the area of the entire large rectangle, and we're going to find the area of the small white rectangle, and we're going to subtract that area from the large area, and we should be left with the area of the black border. So let's get started and find the area of the entire rectangle. It's a rectangle, so the formula we're using is length times breadth. And just to show you on the diagram what we're finding, we're finding that whole area there. So length times breadth, and the length of this rectangle is x minus 4, and the breadth is x plus 3. And I'm just multiplying those brackets together and expanding them out. So x squared plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. And I'm going to simplify that to x squared minus x minus 12. Now that's the large area of the entire picture and frame. Now what we really want is just the black area, so we need to find the area of the white rectangle in the middle, and we need to cut that out. Okay, so we will call this area 2, and again it's a rectangle, so again we're going to use length times breadth. And if we look at the inside of this rectangle, the dimensions are x minus 5 and x plus 2. And when we multiply that out, we're getting x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. And we simplify that to x squared minus 3x minus 10. And so we'll just bring it together. The area of the frame is equal to the large area, take away the smaller area. Now we've already multiplied out the brackets and simplified. It may be that you do the whole of that process in one go, so we could have had the two brackets minus the other two brackets here and done the multiplications together. But I'm just going to substitute in what we've already worked out. And again, we need to be careful with that negative in the middle, because remember that goes all the way through. So what I'm first going to do is I'm just going to expand that all the way through the bracket so that we can have no brackets in there, and then we'll be able to collect our like terms. So x squared minus x minus 12. We're taking away x squared. We're taking away negative 3x, which means we're adding 3x. And we're taking away negative 10, which means we're adding 10. And then when I simplify, I've got x squared take away x squared, so I have no x squareds left. I've got negative x plus 3x, which will give me 2x. And I've got negative 12 plus 10, which gives me a negative 2. So the area of that black border is 2x minus 2, whatever the units are, meters squared or centimetres squared.